Ever wanted to master chopsticks? It is easier than you think. Let us break it down into simple, easy steps.
The whole secret is that one chopstick stays still and the other one does all the work.
This is what we're aiming for. Let's build the foundation first.
Let's start with the bottom chopstick. This one is your anchor. It never moves.
Rest it in the space between your thumb and index finger, and support it with your ring finger.
See that? It's locked in place. Your other fingers can move freely. Now for the top chopstick. This one is the mover. Hold this one just like you would hold a pencil. Keep it light and relaxed.
Now, practice moving that top stick. Your index and middle fingers do all the work.
See how the tips come together? That's the whole motion. Open and close.
Let's try it out. Start with something easy to grip. Don't worry if you miss a few times. There you go. Keep your grip gentle but firm. You have got it. Just a quick tip, always rest your chopsticks on the side of your bowl. Never stick them upright in your food.
So remember the secret. One is the anchor and one is the mover. That's all it is. It just takes a little practice. Have fun with it and enjoy your meal.